Hi, this is Bruce, and today we'll look at how to insert an image into a web page using HTML. So you can see here I've got on the web1 homepage, I've got some instructions including a video on how to fix up your image. But I've already downloaded and edited that image, and you can see it right here. So I've selected my USB stick, and inside my web1 folder I've got an images folder, and there I have downloaded, edited, and resized an image called setup.jpg. So in my web1 folder, you can see I've got my home page, index.html, and here we've got our basic web page set up with a header and a paragraph. Now what I'd like to do is add an image. So using Sublime Text, where I've got Emmet installed, I'm going to type image and then hit tab, and you can see it completes the image tag for me. And where it says source, I'm going to type images, which corresponds with the images folder here, slash to say that I'm going inside that folder, and then setup.jpg. Now I'm going to save this file, Control or Command S, upload the file, Control Alt U, and then Control Alt F, or you can just right click SFTP upload file. I also have to upload the image file. And now if we go back to my web page and I'm going to refresh, or Control R or F5 on a PC, then you can see now the image is showing up on the page. I hope this helps.